Part 284C3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p34h. This is line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p34h. Front face group wave velocity light 5G Wow Seti. There's an alien radio signal. This is about front velocity rotation, jet propulsion, wave functions, keyword research from the WOW data in lines 22. January 26, 2013. Today's February 11th. The keyword bet Brunauer-Emmett-Teller to keyword Arrhenius law is from a previous video, line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p33. Brunauer-Emmett-Teller, Raney, nickel, metals, 5G Wow Seti. Sorry, had to have a drink. February 3rd. Keywords Newton's law, classical wave. Leads to wave velocity, front velocity from a previous video. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e13c9c6d3p34g. Newton wave warp speeds formula 5G Wow Seti. Now we looked at about 3 or 4 videos with formulas in them. So now we're going to talk about the keyword front velocity. And here's a graph. Volumetric flow rate. We want to call, so this is like a lava flow thing. But this is what came up for the average flow front velocity. It's just we're just using this as an example of what front velocity is. Quote diagrams for blog. The plot of volumetric flow rate versus average flow front velocity. Note the distinct separation of A and PAHO he at a volumetric flow rate of about 6 cubits. The yellow is the PAHO he and the A's are the reds. 6 cubic meters per second and a flow front velocity of about 10 miles per hour. Adapted from Rowland and Walker, 1990. So there's the link, volcano.oregonstate.edu. Quotes in wiki. The keywords various velocities comes up. Associated with propagation of a disturbance are several different velocities. For definiteness, consider an amplitude modulated electromagnetic carrier wave. The phase velocity is the wave speed of the carrier. The group velocity is the wave speed of the modulation or envelope. Just so you know, there will be a formula in one of the videos after this. I'm just going through all the keywords right now, okay? This is just keyword research right now. Initially, it was thought that the group velocity coincided with the speed at which information traveled. However, it turns out that this speed can exceed the speed of light in some circumstances, causing confusion by an apparent conflict with the theory of relativity. That observation led to consideration of what constitutes a signal. A signal involves new information or an element of surprise. So they're talking about the Higgs signal here, the controversy over the Higgs signal that they found in June 2012 at CERN. Okay, that surprise cannot be predicted from the wave motion at an earlier time. Thus, a possible form for a signal is, and there's the equation, where ut is the heavy side step function. Using such a form for a signal, it can be shown, subject to the expected condition that the refractive index of any medium tends to 1 and the frequency tends to infinity, that the wave discontinuity called the front propagates at a speed less than or equal to the speed of light, c, in any medium. In fact, the earliest appearance of the front, the precursor travels at the front velocity c no matter what the medium. However, the process also starts from 0 amplitude and builds up. Keywords are front velocity and jet propulsion are going to be in the next video. Thanks for watching.